The following segment is sponsored by City Creek Center. You don't want to miss the holidays at City Creek Center this year. Linda and Dave are here to talk about all the wonderful festivities. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Thanks, Kari.
Sure.
Good to be here.
It's great to see you. Okay, Linda, tell us what's going on at City Creek Center this time of year. I hear Santa's in town.
Well, you know, we're so excited this year. Santa's back. He's been at the North Pole for a couple of years, and now he's back with us at City Creek Center just outside the food court.
Okay, that's amazing. And I hear that the candy windows are back too.
Well, candy windows are back. You know, they're open on Main Street. What would a holiday center season be without a visit to the candy windows at Macy's? They're so beautiful, created by local artists. So it's a fun time to come down and see those gorgeous candy windows.
They are so beautiful. They are different every year. So you have to go down and see the designs and all the candy because they are made from real candy. They are amazing. Okay, what is Santa Paws? Tell us about that, Linda.
Well, Santa Paws is an opportunity for you and your favorite canine to have a photo made with Santa. And we're doing that on a few special nights on November 27th, December 4th, and December 11th. You'll want to make a reservation, so visit shopcitycreekcenter.com and you can go online and get all the details there.
Oh, that is so cute. A photo shoot with your furry friend. I love that. That's adorable. Okay, and Dave, there's also the giving machines. For those who don't know, what are those?
The Giving Machines is such a special holiday tradition. America First has sponsored with the Giving Machines for the last 3 years. This is our third year, and this is a way for the community and families and individuals to come together and go down and select something special for somebody who's in need.
Yeah.
You don't purchase actual stuff, but you make a donation. You can see in the machine what's there, and that could be anything from clothing to animals to toys, balls, things for school kids, and those could be sent around all across the world.
Yeah, it really is so special. We did that last year with my 6-year-old daughter, and it was so fantastic to start so young, to have her see, you know, you can see what you're buying and what you're giving, and it was just a really cool moment. So you have 2 special offers to go along with this too.
We do, yeah. This is super exciting. So we're excited about the Giving Machines, and we're excited about Santa, and so
Yay.
We want to offer our members of America First Credit Union a special deal. When they come down to City Creek and they schedule a photo opportunity with Santa, we're going to give them 50% off when they use their America First Visa card or America First debit card. They use a special promo code at checkout, AFCU23. So when they book that, you know, packages go between $39 and $49. 50% off, that's a pretty significant deal for them.
Wow, that's a great deal.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you for doing that, Dave.
Yeah, and then our second offer, and this is for anyone, not only America First members, but anybody who wants to come down and shop on Black Friday, November 24th. You come down there and shop, get the gifts for your friends and your family. You spend up to $250 on that day, take your receipts in, and you can receive a $50 America First gift card.
What?
Oh,
on
yeah.
Black Friday? That's this Friday.
That's this Friday. If you spend over $500, then take your receipts to customer service there by Macy's, and we'll give you an America First $100 gift card.
Oh my goodness, all the things are happening at City Creek
Yes.
Center. Santa Paws, we got the candy windows, we got the deals with America First. You're both so fabulous. If we want more information, Dave, where can we go to find you guys?
You can go to americafirst.com to look at all the information for us. You can also go to shopcitycreekcenter.com and find out information about Santa, the Giving Machines, and all the great stuff that's happening down there.
Okay, perfect. Well, Linda, Dave, thank you so much. Happy holidays. I will be there on Friday to shop. We'll see you then.
Sounds great.